Blurb 9, Digital Instrument Readouts. There is no estimating when it comes to reading a digital scale to its maximum significance. It's very easy to read digital displays. However, the uncertainty in a digital reading follows a slightly different rule from the analog scale rule. For a digital readout, the uncertainty is normally considered to be plus or minus the smallest measurable division of the readout. Now that's as opposed to 1/2 of that smallest measurable division for an analog scale. For example, this weight scale's uncertainty by the general rule would be taken as plus or minus 1/10 of a pound, and that is because the scale reads to 1/10 of a pound. So the reported weight of the scale readout shown would be 128.3 pounds plus or minus 1/10 of a pound. Here is a digital timer readout, and it has on the graphic noted uncertainty. In other words, the uncertainty is the smallest division, which would be 1/100th of a second. Now we pick up a new word here, physics word called resolution for an instrument, and the term resolution is used as a single word to mean the smallest scale division. So the resolution of an instrument reading is the smallest scale division of that reading. And this term, resolution, is also applicable to the smallest division on analog scales as well. Notice that the resolution, as pointed out on the graphic, is 1/100th of a second, the same as the uncertainty, which would be, by the way, plus or minus 1/100th of a second. It should be noted that with the digital instruments, the manufacturer may specify the uncertainty, which may differ from the general rule stated previously. So the general rule for digital readouts is only used when in the absence of a given specific digital uncertainty. Also, as mentioned in the prior blurb, instrument error may be combined with uncertainty, and then the all-inclusive term for the maximum deviation of an instrument's readout from the accepted true value or accurate value may then be called either total uncertainty or total error. In other words, the two words uncertainty and error have a mixed or ambiguous meaning at this point. You may in your course call everything uncertainty, or everything is error.